Thanks for checking out this question from our daily live Zoom calls. Please like and subscribe to keep learning how we help the largest online community of self-directed retirement investors and entrepreneurs grow and control their retirement funds. I've seen on your website an example of using Fidelity accounts. Great that they allow ACH for contributions to make an after-tax IRA conversion to a Vanguard Roth IRA. Well, it would actually be after-tax solo 401k contribution and then after-tax solo 401k to Roth IRA, not after-tax IRA. That's different, just to be clear. Does Fidelity do those after-tax to Roth IRA conversions with other third-party companies such as Ally Invest, if not Ally? So if you look at that post where we talk about that, what we're really talking about is going from an after-tax solo 401k at Fidelity, so a brokerage account for a third-party plan, meaning our plan, specifically for after-tax solo 401k funds, over to a Roth IRA at Fidelity, so that's an internal electronic transfer, and then tell Fidelity to go and get the money. Tell Vanguard to go and get the money from the Roth IRA at Fidelity. So that is how a lot of folks do it. And so once you understand that piece, that it's really after-tax solo 401k to Roth IRA at Fidelity, because that's internal electronic. Now what you're really talking about is, you could say, I've got a Roth IRA at Ally, right? And now I want Ally to go and get the money from my Roth IRA at Fidelity, which of course Ally is going to be well-versed and eager to do that. So hopefully that helps.